Hi, I'm John from Autel. Automotive technology is constantly changing. One of the most important things that technicians need to focus on is staying current on new advancements, as well as making sure their tools and equipment are up to the challenges that modern vehicles pose to the repair industry. Today we're going to discuss some new obstacles auto repairers face and how companies like Autel are helping them meet these challenges. Let's talk about some common repair procedures that our repair shop customers have relied on as dependable streams of income and how they have evolved. The oil service light, sometimes known as the maintenance required indicator, is triggered strictly by mileage. Different automakers have different standards for when this light activates. A car's maintenance required light, for instance, may activate once every 10,000 miles, at which point it will remain on until it's manually deactivated. In most cases, a diagnostic or service tool is required to reset the light as part of a standard oil change service. Customers are simply not satisfied leaving the shop with the maintenance light still illuminated. Even performing a simple oil change now requires specialized equipment. Battery registration is a maintenance requirement that is relatively new to the service industry. As your battery ages and loses charging capacity, the car adjusts how much it needs to recharge it to operate at an optimal level. The older the battery, the more charge is required. Putting a new battery in your vehicle and registering your battery tells the car that a new one has been installed. As a result, the car will not overcharge the new battery, thinking the old one is still in there. Failure to register the battery in a vehicle where required will lead to premature failure due to overcharging. In most cases, the lifespan of the battery will be less than 1 year. Most new vehicles now require battery registration, as well as a capable tool such as Autel's BT608. EPB is an electronically controlled parking brake whereby the driver activates the holding mechanism with a button and the brake pads are electrically applied to the rear wheels. This is accomplished by an electronic control unit and an actuator mechanism. To perform a rear brake job on a vehicle equipped with this feature, a scan tool is required to place the EPB system in service mode. Failure to do so may result in costly damage to the system. Steering angle sensor is also a critical part of the electronic stability control system that measures the steering wheel position, angle, and rate of turn. It uses this information to calculate the potential for a loss of control or deviation from the driver's intended path of travel. If the situation is deemed unsafe, the vehicle's electronic stability control system will intervene to help mitigate the situation. Many vehicles require the steering angle sensor to be reset or recalibrated after an alignment is performed or parts in the steering system are replaced. Maintaining the accuracy of information being collected by the vehicle is essential to maintaining the integrity of the electronic safety systems. Let's also look at one of the most basic automotive services: tire repair and replacement. Today's automobiles, regardless of internal combustion or electric propulsion, are equipped with a sophisticated tire pressure monitoring system that can alert the driver when the pressure is low. It will even tell you the specific tire where the issue is occurring. There's a common theme here. We need to illustrate to our customers that even the most basic services that repairers have depended on as simple, reliable revenue streams now require the use of an advanced service tool or scan tool to complete successfully. Products such as Autel's diagnostic and service tools now touch virtually every vehicle that comes through a shop's bay doors. It's nearly impossible to run a successful general automotive repair business or even a tire shop without the aid of diagnostic and service tools. Everyone will need to utilize modern diagnostic products to continue to thrive in this challenging environment. Let's look at the latest generation of automobiles: fully electric plug-in vehicles. Most conventional auto repairers will probably be left wondering how to adapt as the automotive industry shifts toward a fully electric future. Autel has come to market with the world's first fully capable electric vehicle scan tool for the automotive aftermarket. It's called the MaxiSys Ultra EV. We always strive to be at the forefront of emerging markets. I want to discuss some other Autel products that are nearly essential parts of a technician's arsenal as we see newer vehicles coming of age and requiring repairs. The future of the independent repairer may very well depend on the application of these tools to ensure its existence as dealership service departments gain market share. This is the MaxiSys Ultra. It's the most advanced scan tool on the market today. It includes features such as onboard coding, programming, and adaptations for a wide variety of vehicles. We've also developed OE-level bidirectional controls, component activation, and service bay tests, not to mention a built-in 4-channel oscilloscope and graphing multimeter. Maybe a shop is doing more basic repairs and doesn't require our highest-end scan tool. The 906 Pro TS is an excellent option for shops performing general service and maintenance, such as brakes, suspension, and batteries. It even has built-in TPMS capability for the installation of new tires. Autel offers solutions for nearly every area of vehicle service. Our extensive line of battery testers offers Autel's unique adaptive conductance testing technology. Our BT608 allows technicians to test starting and charging systems regardless of the battery's state of charge. Gone are the days of the time-consuming charge and retest message on the tester. One of the latest challenges that has faced the automotive service and repair industry is the need to perform calibration on today's advanced driver assistance systems. Innovations such as Autel's IA900WA combines ADAS calibration with one of the most advanced wheel alignment platforms ever offered. It increases efficiency by allowing technicians to perform both of these services in the same bay, cutting down on additional time and labor. Today's modern immobilizer and theft deterrent systems require highly specialized equipment. Autel recommends that if you want to get into the key replacement business, that you acquire a locksmith ID and the appropriate insurance. In addition to offering a full line of key programming tools that service Asian, domestic, and European vehicles, we have an extensive line of programmable ignition keys that suit nearly every application. These universal keys can be stocked by our customers and sold to their customers should they need an additional key or even new keys. We need to impress upon our repairer customers the need for them to embrace all the new equipment required to ensure their business's survival as repair procedures become more complex. Staying at the forefront of new technology and continuing education is the key to our success as an industry. The auto parts industry has a strong vested interest in technicians adopting these tools. After all, without applying the appropriate scan tool or service tool to a maintenance task, such as a brake job, our repairer customers will no longer be able to sell and execute these vehicle services. This directly affects their ability to buy replacement parts, such as powertrain, drivetrain, and chassis components. Even something as simple as a new suspension component may need to be calibrated upon installation. We shouldn't wait to equip ourselves with the next generation of automotive tools. We should invest in the future now. In this way, technicians will have time to train and develop mastery of these new processes to ensure a smooth transition as we embrace a new era of automotive technology. The last thing I want to talk about is making sure that your tools are kept up to date. A technician could have all the best tools at his or her disposal, but barely scratch the surface of their capability. They have to be updated regularly. At Autel, we're constantly working hard to make sure technicians have access to the latest software features and coverage. Our team of nearly 1,000 engineers is constantly releasing new model year coverage, software revisions, and bug fixes to our customers on a daily basis. Also, by the time our tools reach the customer, after manufacturing, shipping, warehousing, and distribution, they could be many software versions out of date. It's important to continue to take advantage of new software releases and purchase software update subscription renewals upon expiration. We automatically renew the customer's tool's hardware warranty when they purchase an annual software subscription. For technicians looking for a more budget-friendly approach, some of our TPMS tools and entry-level products offer free updates for life. I hope this information empowers you to stay up to date on Autel's state-of-the-art solutions that will help your business thrive now and in the future. Thanks for watching.